The alsim Paint Shop Ceiling module, with its user-friendly interface and predefined workflow and boundary conditions, ensures that non-CFD experts and process experts can easily simulate actual processes in automotive paint shops. Compute simulation on highly complex geometries with utmost accuracy and precision. With alsim Paint Shop Ceiling, you have simplified workflow that allows any non-CFD user to run simulations, predefined applicator types to choose from, updated to latest market innovations, path definition made easier with the choice of selecting manually or importing the path definition file, automatic bead measurement to help the user determine the ceiling uniformity,